Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer a Netflix profile. So first of all, go ahead and double check if your Netflix needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just get back to my screen. Go ahead to your browser. If you want to transfer a profile or Netflix profile to an existing account, using your web browser, sign into the account that has the profile that you want to transfer. Visit the account page in the profile and in the profiles and parental control section. Choose the profile that you want to transfer. Choose to transfer and choose start profile transfer. Choose an existing account on your Netflix, and you're gonna be able to transfer this let's say for example this account. You're gonna be able to follow the steps, and then you're gonna be able to transfer it to an existing account. All right, you're gonna be right here to see in the settings. You're gonna be able to see turn on the profile transfers on your settings, so you can apply those steps. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media.